What is up, everybody? Audition All Go. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And if you're an entrepreneur or an inspiring entrepreneur, if you're somebody that has a 9-to-5, if you're somebody that don't got a job at all, listen, I want to let you know you're doing a great job no matter where you're at in the world, no matter if you're at your highest point or your lowest point, it always gets better. Okay, and if you at a high point and you feel like ain't nothing gonna happen to you, I'm gonna just tell you right now, something gonna happen. It's gonna make you mad and it's gonna make you feel sad, but you gotta keep going. Okay, and today we're gonna be talking about a product, not even a product, products, and just a big help, a big boost for myself, and luckily something that has been helping others boost their business as well. I first started out when it comes to reselling products as just like you, like somebody watching YouTube videos, trying to figure out where I can find products. That was like my biggest troubleshooting or biggest pain point, knowledge gap, was where do I find products? For all my phone flippers out there, it was sort of kind of like when I started my phone store and I wanted to sell phones, but I had one big problem. Where do I buy the phones from? Now, I understand I can go on OfferUp and I could buy an iPhone 11, right? And I could buy it probably for like what, $250, but that would be too high, and I couldn't buy multiple quantities, and it was just at that point, like, it was also no guarantee it would work. And if I'm selling something to a customer, especially a device, I want to make sure that device will work, because if it don't, then it's going to be my fault, and I'm going to have to then take that phone back, and it will be an issue, right? Same thing when it came to electronics. I could go and I could do what a lot of people do on YouTube and just in life, like on eBay and Mercari. We see a lot of people excelling at thrifting. And thrifting is when you're buying products that you find on sale, that you find for cheap and or for less than what and it will be valued on the larger market. And thrifting is really good, and thrifting is really profitable at times. But the only issue I had with thrifting was me realizing thrifting wasn't consistent. A lot of thrifters, especially on the videos I've watched and the people I've met in real life, they have really hard times, especially when it comes to thrift stores, because a lot of times you don't really know if the material you're buying is going to sell, right? And when it does sell, let's say you find something really valuable and it does sell, you don't know how to duplicate it because you don't have any more of that item. Then it's like, well, dang, I was making a killing on this Barbie doll. It was a limited edition Barbie doll. I was making a killing, but now I don't have any more Barbie dolls. Now I gotta try to go find more, but I can't find any place to get them. Well, go back to the original place you got them. Oh, I can't because I got them out of Walmart on clearance. Oh, yeah. So that was sort of kind of where my insight on thrifting sort of kind of was like, I don't want to thrift because I'm looking to build income streams that work for me by themselves, right? Like something that I can always tap into and check and continue to monitor, but not something that I have to consistently take the time out of my day to search and try to continue to find the next big thing, right? And that's when I came up with the product box. So right here is a mailbox, and this mailbox has a bunch of products in it, okay? A whole bunch of products in it, okay? And today, we're going to be packaging a product box. And when it comes to the product box, the reason I made this was because I have a lot of people that sell on eBay, Amazon, Mercari, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Walmart Marketplace, flea markets, a whole bunch of people that are selling and they don't know where to get these products that are going to take the business to the next level. Not just products that they can get one time, but products they can get over and over and over again. They don't know where to get them from. And now I have a product box, which I've been selling for around 2 years. We have been able to help and continue to reinvent this box. The product box is something that has been very profitable, not only for the consumer, the person that buys this box, but also it's been profitable for the customers that actually are obtaining these and being able to either use them or even sell them. Like, I have people that buy products from people of the product box. Let me give you an example. So on the product box, you get 20 chargers, right? These are Type-C to Lightning chargers. In the product box, right? This is going to go in the product box. You pay $155 for this product box. So prime example, right? You have 20 Type-C to Lightning cables right here. You get this in the product box. The product box comes with 42 products, and it's only $155. That means each product you get in the box costs you $3.69. But you get 20 of these, okay? What's happening is a lot of customers are buying from you once you get the box. They'll buy 5 chargers, but then they'll just resell the chargers themselves, or they'll use them. We have business offices that literally buy product boxes from us as well, and they distribute it to their employees. So the product box is not just something that gives you just products that are just like throwaways. No, these are products that actually sell, that are valuable, and that are assets. If you invest in an asset, there's no way you can go broke. Let's say you were to put $155 into a product box right now, and you don't know how you're going to sell them. That's beautiful. Why? Because you took a risk and you put yourself in a corner to where now you got to get uncomfortable and you got to find a way. You got to do flea markets. You got to do pop-up shops. You got to make that eBay. You got to make that Mercari. You got to start listing. And this is how a lot of entrepreneurs start their journey. They just don't know where to start. So you got to force yourself. You got to put yourself into that position to be able to thrive. So we're going to first include 20 Type-C to Lightning cables, of course. All right. Another thing I wanted to include, and I've been eyeing this thing all day because I actually never used this one, but this is a newer product. It is the wireless charger. This is a 500 mAh charger. I mean, a 5,000 mAh charger. Just to give you an example, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the iPhone 14 has a similar, oh, this is a wireless charging pad. So you can actually put your phone on this charging pad. This is nice, okay? And it comes with the charger, of course. The only thing I don't like about it is I wish that it was like a little better packaging, but this is really, really nice. This looks really nice. So we're gonna include this for you as well. And a lot of the times you're gonna see that a lot of our products have the hooks because we do sell a lot of products to stores, okay? So they're gonna put those in there. We're also going to include 5 of the generic headphones. The reason we're gonna include these sell really good. These, obviously, you can sell them for $1. You can sell them for $6, $7. I usually sell these for $8. And these are just generic cables, but the packaging is everything. This is good for people that have Mercaris, that have places where people are looking for affordable options when it comes to headphones. So we're gonna include 5 of these as well, okay? Also, all right, we have the Type-C adapters. Everybody knows how I feel about them. Beautiful packaging, the green arrow so that they can actually take that green arrow off. It is sealed at the bottom as well. These are really, really good quality, 18 watts. As you see, AAA quality, which means top of the line quality, and it has the UPC. So this is really good for you to list like on TikTok Shop, somewhere on Amazon as well. And of course, you know, the regular Mercari and etc., right? Then we're gonna do the Samsung charger bundle, okay? You guys already see 25 watts. Packaging is really good as well. And also the accessory hook, okay? Next, we're gonna do the USB-C 87 watt power adapter. This is what you would use for like a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air. You can use this, and this is going to charge a device. You can use it for your phone too, but it's going to charge your phone very fast, and I think it would damage your battery. But these are really expensive. Look it up right now. Look up how much a MacBook charger is, especially the adapter part. We're going to include that. So you'll be able to actually put that up and be able to make money too. And then of course, let's not even do that one. Let's do this one. We'll include the iPhone 7 headphones. As you guys already know, the iPhone 7 headphones, they sell like water. Perfect packaging, okay? This packaging is really good. It looks just like the original. It is something that, again, I love to sell. I love selling iPhone 7 headphones because a lot of people don't like these things right here. And speaking of these are the AirPod replicas. You can get these at hustlertaught.me.com, but also you can get these in product boxes. And since I am actually doing this on video live, I am going to give this customer the AirPod Pro replicas also in the bundle too, just for thanks for actually ordering. And I really appreciate every time you guys support me. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. I thank you. Here is the MagSafe battery pack. This is 5,000 mAh. Of course, I love this battery pack, okay? These battery packs are so awesome. They come clutch. I use them all the time, and you already know these are trending already. All right, I've already been talking about these. Then we have the adapter. So you get the adapter and you get the Type-C to lightning cord. This is AA, 18 watts. Okay, this is basically going to be a very comparable charger to the regular charger you get with the regular iPhone. And what I mean by that is, this is something that if you own a phone store, you can pair this with whatever phones you buy. If you are somebody that sells phones, you can pair this with phones you buy. And again, you're getting this for $3.65 or 67 cents, but you can sell this for $15, $13. If you're really good and you at the flea market, I sell these for 20. For real. Okay. What's next? Next, of course, we're going to, before I do the MagSafe, we're going to do the Apple Watch charger, okay? Apple Watch charger, really good packaging. I would say fairly good. I don't like the plastic. We actually just started telling factories not to include this plastic. I just don't like it anymore. I do understand that it keeps the box protected, but hey, I don't like it. But this is the USB-C to Apple Watch charger, and this is 1 meter. I love these. These sell as well, okay? Again, guys, you have to realize it's so much money to make in this space. We have the cubes, okay? So I'm going to include 5 cubes. These are really good because people do, believe it or not, still use the cubes, and the cube still has the plastic on it as well. Okay, well, I wouldn't even call this plastic. This is like some real fancy plastic because I don't know what type of material that is. All right. And then also we'll include a 10-foot cable cord. So this is going to be for an Android, 10-foot cord, okay? Now, 10-foot cords, you will be surprised by how many people look for these, but they can't find them, all right? And again, we also have MagSafe cases. I'm not going to include this because they don't have, I don't know where the box is. I guess the box broke in there. But we do have MagSafe cases. We've been selling MagSafe cases for a while. This ain't no cheap crap, okay? I just want to show y'all, like, our cases are good as well. What else? So we're putting in here. Okay. So then also we have the Type-C headphones. So people that have Androids, they have Notes, they have Ultras, right? They may not want to use the Bluetooth, and they may want in air, and that's the Type-C, and that works as well. Okay, so again, those type of products, you're going to actually be hitting a gold mine because people aren't used to seeing those. We have Apple Watch bands. This is a universal Apple Watch band. We'll include that as well, and this is all metal. This is all metal. Okay, a metal Apple Watch band. That's tough. All right, and I'll show y'all one more. And I'm gonna just keep it simple. where we have screen protectors, okay? This is for the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a tempered glass. This is not privacy, but we do have privacy as well. So we'll put 5 of these in there as well. And I might even throw in 5 privacy as well. All right, I gotta see if we have, I think we have 14 Pro privacy glass. So privacy glass is where you can't see, well, the other person next to you or somebody close to you can't see the screen. But tempered glass is something really cool, and especially if you bundle it. You can put it in a bundle. You can have people actually buying bundles from you on a consistent basis. Now, all of these products that you see me have so far, you can get at hustlertaughtme.com, but you also can get the product box for $155 at hustlertaughtme.com as well, and you can start flipping your money right now. Again, guys, I wouldn't even hesitate if I was you to go ahead and start selling wholesale. If it's from me or if it's not from me, start buying and start selling. Whether you're selling it to a customer, sell them in bundles. That's what I'm telling you guys to do. Don't just sell one, sell wholesale bundles. I don't care what products you got. Stop just selling one at a time, sell multiple. And I'm telling you right now, it will pick up. All right, guys? So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. You know what? Because I've been staring at these for a while, I'm going to put the S6 headphones in too. These are S6 headphones. As you guys see, packaging is standard. I love the packaging here. And again, I just love selling electronics because it's beautiful how many assets we have. This is worth $10, but like you're getting it for $3.69 or 67 cents, whatever, but you're getting it. It's an asset. I have this and I can always sell this. This will never go out of style for somebody. I could be in the airport. Somebody might need headphones. Anything in this box or in this box is an asset, and you need to acquire as many assets as possible if you want to get out of that 9-to-5 rat race, okay? Whether you're a teenager or whether you are 50 years old, 60 years old, you can still start working towards financial freedom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.